Hindi na, parang...
Okay, career guidance. Ano ba, Fulubi ba yun? Or secret agent na naman? Pero sabi nila may kaduktong daw eh. Tignan natin yung kaduktong. Okay, sniper. Ayun, nasa likod sila, nasa likod. Okay, another to the next level na career guidance. Ayun, yun, nakatayo na. Lala.
I won't let injustice become normal in our society. I believe that law is
Nice dream career.
and
Galing.
stand for the weak and echoing the words of Mr. Martin Luther King Jr. I recognize that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Ultimately, I trust in God's timing about so that my dreams come true when the time is right. That would be all. Good morning.
Yan ang maganda eh, no? May enactment, no? Tignan nyo, nakita nyo. Inmate, tapos meron siyang lawyer. Yan, tagapagtanggol. Yan, minsan lang tayo makakita ng ganito. Ang galing. Peace!